Welcome to my YouTube channel A to Z. Today we learn A to Z food names. A is for apple. B is for broccoli. C is for cake. D is for donut. E is for eggs. F is for French fries. G is for grapes. H is for hamburger. I is for ice cream. J is for jelly. K is for ketchup. L is for lime. M is for milk. N is for nuggets. O is for orange. P is for pizza. Q is for quesadilla. R is for radish. S is for stick. T is for taco. U is for udon noodles. V is for vegetables. W is for watermelon. X is for Zmania. Y is for yogurt. Z is for Zucchini.